Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys the Xiaomi E10 versus Xiaomi S10, which one is better. Right off the bat, you can see this one is $100 less than this one. But when we're comparing, both of them are same type, same cleaning type, and also dust collector are the same. This one has slightly more motor power, and this one has less suction power. The suction force is same in Pascal. This one, even though it's $100 less, it has more dust collector capacity and water tank capacity, because this one is only 0.3 liter, but this one is 0.4, and this one is 0.2, and this one is 0.17, which is very low, but it does make a difference. Fine filter HEPA is present in this one, and then all of these are same. The mapping system is sensor, which means it needs to sense if there is anything or not, and then it will move. But this one uses laser. And then voice assistant, this one supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but there's nothing information about this one. And then most importantly, one of the things, the battery capacity is obviously bigger in this one, and battery runtime is 20 minutes more than this one, but the charging time on this one is just half an hour less. And as you can see, the weight of this one is also less, and the noise level is also less. So as you can see, like overall, I would say this one is a better option than this one. But if you have a higher budget, you can go. But if you're jumping between the two, I will say go for the E10. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.